Discover a rare opportunity on Morrison Road in Northeast Greene County with 2 adjoining 24-acre tracts offering the perfect blend of privacy, beauty, and usability. Each parcel features a mix of open pasture and wooded acreage, with land that lays gently rolling and gradually becomes steeper toward the back, creating both functional ground and scenic natural terrain. A year-round creek flows along the front of both properties, adding charm and a peaceful country setting. The tract to the right also includes a 35 by 48 barn, providing excellent space for equipment, storage, livestock, or future farm use. Located in an area that is not heavily built up, these properties offer the privacy and quiet setting many buyers seek, while remaining conveniently accessible to both Greeneville and Kingsport. Seller is currently in the process of having the survey completed. If interested in more property, see MLS #9,993,636. All information taken from a third-party source, courthouse/tax.